In a world where financial literacy is paramount, AI-powered personal finance assistants are transforming how we manage our money. Imagine having a knowledgeable partner by your side, capable of optimizing budgets, tracking expenses, and offering personalized financial advice, all powered by advanced Python machine learning algorithms. This digital ally can analyze your spending habits, categorize your expenses, and even predict future trends based on your financial behavior. The journey begins with data, as the assistant collects and processes your financial information. Utilizing Python's robust libraries, such as Pandas and NumPy, the AI can effortlessly sift through mountains of data, extracting meaningful insights about your financial health. Picture a vibrant display of charts and graphs, visualizing your expenditure patterns, enabling you to identify overspending areas and drastically improve your budgeting strategies. With such clarity, users can make informed decisions tailored to their unique financial situations. Building upon this foundation of data analysis, the assistant employs machine learning techniques to create predictive models. Imagine a scenario where your assistant not only warns you of impending expenses, but also suggests ways to save money and optimize your investments. It could recommend the best savings accounts based on your goals, or even suggest methods to allocate funds for future projects, like buying a home or investing in education. These tailored recommendations create a proactive approach to personal finance, ensuring users stay ahead of their financial commitments instead of merely reacting to them. Moreover, the AI's capability extends beyond mere analysis and prediction. Through natural language processing, users can interact with the assistant in a conversational manner, asking questions about their finances and receiving instant, easy-to-understand responses. Visualize a lively morning where you can simply ask your AI assistant, "How much can I save this month?" and receive a comprehensive response that adjusts based on real-time data. This accessibility encourages users to take a more active role in managing their finances. In conclusion, an AI-powered personal finance assistant built with Python machine learning holds the potential to revolutionize our relationship with money. By harnessing the power of data analysis and predictive modeling, it enables users to not only understand their finances better, but also to achieve their financial goals with confidence. The road to financial literacy and independence is now paved with innovation, making it more achievable than ever before.